Guys, what's up? It's your boy Crypto Marco yet again with another awesome video on the topic of cryptocurrencies. The currency your friendly bank employee from around the corner told you not to invest in because he said that anything else to invest in than Bitcoin is a good idea, and how wrong he was. What a wrong man. As you can see right now, the market is going crazy. Crazy. The market popped some pills, took crack, and injected heroin and is running around naked on shrooms. All the other coins falling while Bitcoin soars. Bitcoin fucking soars up to 16,300 and was already higher at 16,500. If we take a look at GDAX, you see that it went even a bit higher. So what's happening in the market right now, it's insane. It's really insane what's happening right now. So much movement going on, and you're wondering just where does all this money come from. Bitcoin dominance even up at 64.6%. It wasn't that high. It hasn't been that high in a long time. What's this little gray thing right there? Oh, that was Litecoin. How cute. So as you can see, there was a time when Ethereum came pretty close to Bitcoin. Ethereum was at 31% and Bitcoin was at 39%. Unimaginable today. And as you can see, last time Bitcoin dominance was that high was right before the Segwit2x fork got canceled. A lot of people lost hope in the Bitcoin, invested in Bitcoin Cash, but now Roger Ver is probably pretty pissed because Bitcoin dominance soared up to 60. How much was it? 63.5, I think. Let's just take a look at the let's just take a look at the market cap together, my friends. And come on, coin market cap, I'm making a video. This is really awkward if you don't work right now. Okay, let's just say the last 7 days. There we go. So you can see that the Bitcoin dominance was pretty steadily at 55%, and then all of a sudden it went up, and just how much? In not even a day, like went from 60% to 65%. And in cryptocurrency terms, this means billions of dollars entering the market. A lot of FOMO money, you know, people who didn't believe in cryptocurrencies all of a sudden think that it's the best idea since sliced bread has been invested. And if we take a look at the market capitalization, you'll see that all of a sudden a lot of money has entered the market, and straight afterwards we saw a little correction, a little dip, peaked at $430 billion, like just to put, and then it disappeared almost. Like just to put things into perspective, $1 million is already a lot of money. So people can live quite comfortably with $1 million their whole life without having to work. And $1 billion is that amount times 1,000. And these 1,000s of millions are entering the market every day. And so many people are looking stupid right now because said, oh, Bitcoin is a bubble, it's gonna burst. And don't get me wrong, like eventually a correction is gonna happen. And where this money came from, I don't know. And after, you know, to be honest, I'm in cryptocurrencies now. I have been in cryptocurrencies since 2 years. And this kind of development is kind of new to me. And after all this time, I begin to see a pattern that money appears out of nowhere. The price soars to new highs. We see a slight correction afterwards, and then it goes up again until all of a sudden money gets into the market here. Like you can see that on the 28th of November, we were at 168 billion, and in the same day, you can see like on the next day, you can see that 26 billion have entered the market. Crazy what's happening. And as you can see, it's going back down again to 1600s. I'm really curious what's going to happen if I Okay, this is the price on GDAX. But if we take a look on Coin Checkup, which offers a bit more information than CoinMarketCap does, you can see that in the last 24 hours, Bitcoin has gained 22%. In the last 7 days, 67%. IOTA still looking better, but I think money that's entering the market this rapidly, it's not healthy. So don't get me wrong. Like, I don't want to be I don't want to be pessimistic. The opposite of optimistic. And it might happen that Bitcoin will go up to 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, maybe even 50,000. But the correction will come, guys. And then is the right time to enter the market and invest in cryptocurrencies. So, I mean, Bitcoin is backed by technology, by trust, but man, against things like Ripple that can handle 1,500 transactions per second, IOTA that does not require transaction fees, Monero, which is totally untraceable and unhackable, Cardano with so many brilliant people against them. Like, there are so many other coins that are technically on a technological layer a lot more interesting than Bitcoin. But you know, people trust Bitcoin, people trust Bitcoin's technology, and it has been around for almost a decade. So that's why right now a lot of FOMO money is entering the market. Fear of missing out is kicking in for some people. They want to make quick money, invest their money, and see some, you know, gain something out of it. And it's quite possible that the Bitcoin is going to go up like 20 or 30 or even 40%. But guys, the correction will come. So in my opinion, this is definitely not the right time to invest. If you believe in Bitcoin and if you think that it will, you know, keep on to rise, you might wait until a slight dip happens. And as you can see right now, there are not a lot of dips happening here. It's only going up, and this can keep happening for a while, but it will eventually stop. So don't FOMO. Part of being successful with cryptocurrencies is also learning how to deal with your emotions. The thing, like for example, IOTA. Many people were interested in IOTA, where to buy IOTA. Just click on markets, Bitfinex, Binance, for example. I made a video on IOTA, and shortly afterwards it exploded. I mean, I'm not saying that my video was the reason that IOTA exploded, but if I would say that, it'll be a confirmation bias, like confirmation bias as fuck. You can see that IOTA exploded. Like, I had FOMO too. Like, I saw IOTA just going up and up and up and up and up in almost a 90-degree angle. I was like, holy shit, I need to enter. But I recognize this emotion as clear sign of FOMO, fear of missing out, fear of the little fucking brainless, greedy person inside of me, who's not rational, who's like, oh, let's get the money, precious Bitcoin, like a little golem for cryptocurrencies. So I said, you know what, golem, shut up, sit down into the corner, wait until a nice correction happens, then we're gonna get some precious cheap coins, and then when they go up, man, we have some fun, golem. So guys, in the short term, you can make profits here and there, but I like to diversify, and I like to wait for corrections to enter a market very cheaply. And I like to give away Litecoins to my to the people commenting. This was a shitty and far too fast transaction, but doesn't matter. Quite a lot of you guys have commented on the Stellar Lumens video. Thank you very much for that. 15 unique comments. Let's see who's gonna win the raffle. So as you know, among everybody commenting, I'm giving away a small amount of Litecoin. Irvine, again, nice video. Just got my lumens. Thanks. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for being a part of the cryptocurrency family. If I pronounce your name the right way, I hope I do. But your next coffee, your next beer is on me. Depending on where you live, you might get a beer or a coffee. But if you also want to win some Litecoin, comment down below. And don't forget to leave your Litecoin address, because among everybody commenting, I'm giving away a small amount of Litecoin. Subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell if you want to become a part of the notification squad. Thank you so much for watching, and wish you a lot of health and a lot of success. And until next time, see you. Bye bye.